Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe and doing good. It is the weekend, so head out to the beach, relax, enjoy the summer. And you guys could get one of these at a low cost. This is coming from BassBloom. I already did the unboxing. Oh. Get it over there. This is their BassBloom Roar number 3. Bada boom. 20 watts IPX6 LED. JIKE bass. Never heard of JIKE. Must be good. Unleash your sound. Let it roam free. Perfect for camping, on the beach, outdoors, cutting lawn, just relaxing. See, outdoor party. This is true wireless stereo. Definitely excited. RGB LED lighting. And TF card slot for your own music. This has it all, guys. I'm definitely excited to try this out. And like I said, you can go through your smartphone, hook up the Bluetooth, you'll be good. Or if you have a tablet, which we're going to be using that little guy, because the other phone is charging right now. But yeah, get a couple of these. Great stocking stuffers or gift to yourself. So charging your speakers, steady, red means charging. Red light turns off. Charging complete. Using your Bluetooth, that's easy to use. True wireless stereo mode. 2 identical BassBlooms can pair with each other. So you can have 2 of these going at once. So you can have one far on the other side and one up close, and you can hear both music going. I only got one, which is a good. There's a little light show. So we'll show that in a second. You can switch songs by hitting the plus and minus, it looks like, for 2 seconds. Right there. So now we're going to take a look at the speaker. Oh, it's super lightweight. This glows. Some RGBs. Got that bass. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. Got the non-slip guards. You can almost have this like a soundbar for your computer or laptop, or an extra speaker for your work area, your workout room, your home gym. So we're gonna hook up the tablet time. It's only 4 o'clock. We're making good timing today. Gotta make sure your tablet, no password. One. Bam. So it's gonna be called Roar 3. Once the Bluetooth and Bluetooth. See all. Should take it a second. Come on. Oh yeah, pair a new device. There it is. Right on top. There it goes, shift down. Right there, Roar 3. Oh, no. Not the Govee. Forget device. Sorry about that. Bluetooth. Pair a new device. Or 3. That's lighting up. Let pair. Look at that. See, it shows how much batteries right there. 47. We're good to go. Really nice RGB lights. I have no idea what kind they are, but really nice, especially during the daytime. It's nice and bright in here. Oops. That was my microphone. Hopefully it didn't matter. YouTube time. Clear all. YouTube. Non-copyright. We'll test it out. Alright guys, we are at level 5. Wow. 16.
Bass mode.
Bass mode. They sound good.
Normal.
Normal. That's what it is on that. You can have it hanging. This sounds amazing, guys. Look at that thing go. So yeah, this would be perfect for gaming also, you know. Another light show. Oops. I paused it. Good to go. Yeah, this one cool. Kind of lines up with the green. See it red. Blue, yellow, blue, purple, green. I think the green ones are best. These are nice, guys. Oh yeah, definitely get yourself a couple of these. Still got time, summer's still here. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link down below. Have a good night.